In this tutorial, we'll walk through the Client section of the Multi-Office Management portal and what you can do within it. Once you log into your software and land on the dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the Client's icon. Go ahead and click that to open up the Client Manager. When you first enter this section, you'll see it's designed to help you look up client information across all of your locations. By default, the page opens to the most current tax year available. In our demo, it's 2023, but if you need to access prior years, tabs for each available year are located at the top. Simply click on the year you want and the interface will remain consistent. Whether you're looking at 2021, 2014, or any other tax year, the process remains the same. In the center of the screen, you can search for clients across all of your locations. Use the Locations drop-down menu to narrow your search to a specific office or select all to view clients across all locations tied to your Multi-Office Manager. Now let's talk about search features. You can search by client name, social security number, submission ID if the return was e-file, phone number, zip code, city, EIN, and file date. For this example, I'll search by social security number. Simply enter the client's social, leave the search option as like, and click Search Client. The client associated with that social will appear, showing you the location name, client social, phone number, zip, city, EIN, and the return status, whether it's filed, rejected, or not yet filed. The edit icon on the right allows you to dive into the client's return details, which we'll explore shortly. Need to search for another client? Just click Reset to clear the current search and start fresh. Now let's take a look at the return stages. This feature allows you to track returns by their status, whether they've been created but not started, are in preparation, transmitted, or completed. If you want to see all the returns regardless of stage, simply select Show All Stages. This view pulls up all returns across all locations, so you can easily track each client's return status. Finally, let's go back to that edit icon. Clicking this brings you into the Client Manager for that particular client. Here, you'll see exactly what your tax preparers see when they work on a return. You can view and edit client information, check the status of returns, print forms, and access additional details, including tracking return history, like when the return was created, how long it's been worked on, payment statuses, and more. To navigate back, either click the back arrow at the top right or return to the Client section to continue your work. And that's the quick overview of how to use the Client section in the Multi-Office Manager.